In this video, I will show you how to use Canva's Dreamlab to create stunning AI-generated images. Let's get started. Starting on the Templates page, I'll head over to the left-hand sidebar where I can see various tools. Under the section for AI video effects, I'm going to select Dreamlab. This takes me to a new workspace where I can bring my visual ideas to life. The first thing I'll do is adjust the aspect ratio by clicking the Dimensions dropdown and switching it from 16 by 9 to a 9 by 16 vertical format. Now I'll click into the prompt box and type in a detailed description of vibrant superfood heroes in a cute animation style. To refine the look, I'll click on Style to open the menu. I'm scrolling through the various artistic options and I'll select Cinematic Concept. With my prompt and style ready, I'll click the purple arrow to begin the generation. As the AI works, I can see the progress bar molding the pixels into perfection. In just a few seconds, 4 unique variations appear in my gallery. I'll hover over these to see the details of my superfood characters. Now let's try another one. I'm going back to the prompt bar to enter a new description for a whimsical, handcrafted diorama of a tiny magical garden inside a hollowed-out butternut squash. This time, I'll change the style by opening the menu again and selecting 3D Render for a more tactile feel. I'll hit the Generate button and wait while the sketchbook and camera icons indicate the AI is processing. These new results are incredibly detailed and perfectly capture the cozy, magical vibe I was looking for. To see one more variation, I'll click the Style dropdown again and switch it from 3D Render to the Smart option, which allows the AI to interpret the best style for the text. I'll click Generate one last time to produce a fresh set of images based on this combination. It's amazing to see how quickly the tool can iterate through different artistic directions. And that's how easy it is to bring your creative ideas to life using Canva's Dreamlab.